Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka ji kendu bat kinong patai kubor haka absan terek mentau benai rempang arajar arpo. Unoi lam kaliang persya hayeng dor bartawan haka ni kejela Meghalaya. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakaran halor kikam ya kaja khapon hapadeng kejela Meghalaya bat kejela Assam. Halor kene kebenta nakaliang Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong ba banwan ra hi sya kejingya bet halor upur usam dan kam kejingya sutho jingmot jongbaro artli kejela bat ya kene kebenta la terwahiru da kesorkar Assam nadu barang sinsar keseng kongres hakane kejela Meghalaya bat kene kesorkaru kabamenta kare benput dien ya kene.
Both the state governments are to be responsive to the situation and ultimately engage in bilateral discussion, deliberation to ultimately find solution. It may be difficult to find immediate solution, but then that engagement must be there and refresh what has been agreed upon in the past. And I want to remind everybody that it is precisely because of that clear stand taken by our state of Meghalaya and the counterpart Assam that we have maintained peace and we have not created a situation where there were perceived to be confrontational, somehow creating the kind of fear psychosis amongst the mind of people. But in the last preceding 2 years, we have seen that there has been a number of incidents, one after another, small and big, some reported, some not reported. But even though some are not reported, but then we are somehow privileged to have access and connect to know what's happening there. Now, unfortunately, the kind of mistrust and the resultant tension that's prevailing along those areas of difference, that's not something which is in sync with what we wanted to create mutually. Now, both the states have been committed to ensure that there is no more new settlement in those areas of difference. No more new settlement should be allowed, number one. Number two, in the interest of those people who have been adversely affected because of these off and on, tension because of the dispute residing in those areas of difference, we wanted to ensure that, various developmental programs in the interest of those affected people in the areas of difference must continue. And those developmental initiatives and such investments for developmental program in the interest of the people residing in those villages, in those areas of difference, must be allowed and continued. But when any of the counterpart takes up any developmental program at the level of the district authorities, they should inform the counterpart before taking up those initiatives or before starting any developmental work. They have to just mutually inform and tell them what are those initiatives in the best interest of the people in the areas of difference. That has been agreed upon. Now, until that whole areas of difference related issue is not resolved, neither Assam nor Meghalaya obviously can say that, now it belongs to us, because we say that it's an area of difference. But even though that situation exists, pending solution, we must ensure that people in those areas don't suffer. And this commitment has been mutual and mutually accepted and have been in place in the preceding years. I want that both the state governments revisit that past and ensure that there's an environment created conducive for the overall progress and prosperity of people residing in those areas of difference.